What's up? Acekool recently sent me this really awesome popcorn maker, so let's make some popcorn. Okay, so this is my awesome popcorn maker. To make popcorn, we have to switch it to number 2. That's 2 right there. Oh, and it's starting to move. Okay, that's kind of cool. So I guess I take this off and add the popcorn kernels and the oil. 1, 2. And it came with this spoon, by the way. And now we add 2 of these little cups of popcorn. It came with this cup too. The second cup, I'm gonna do it as evenly as possible. Add the lid. And I just wait for some yummy popcorn. Now I just wait 3 minutes and it should start popping. Ooh, you can kind of see the oil sizzling. How exciting. Look at it go, look at it go. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, and they say once the popping slows down, then that's when you should turn it off. So I think it slowed down. I'll turn it off. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some chili powder on here. Buen provecho.